Oh, yes! 1, 2, 1, 2. Welcome to Graham Cullis on the Couch unboxing session. Got something through the post. I'm going to open it. Please reuse, repurpose, recycle me. Definitely coming from a nice ethical company. Right, so let's do this. Oh, look at this stuff in here. I think there's a mouse in here. Oh, yes! It's arrived! Ethica CBD. Ethica CBD oil. And it is an ethical company. Yes. I'm not being paid for this, but I have been asked to do a review of this CBD oil. I've never tried CBD oil before, but I've heard of the amazing benefits that you can have, and Ethica CBD want me to try it out. Apparently it takes about 2 months to get into your system. This is the day use one. Apparently it gives you a bit of a nice sets you up nicely for the day. I often find that I wake up and I'm like, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Yeah, I always have a million and one things to do, and I've heard that dosing with CBD oil can make things all just seem okay. We'll see, okay? So if you don't know what CBD is, it's basically an extract from the marijuana plant. It's the cannabinoids, which apparently, I don't know, I'm not a scientist, I don't know what's good. Apparently the cannabinoids fit nicely into our brain to make us a bit more cognitive. I don't even know what I'm talking about. 3 drops under the tongue, 3 times per day. I think that was about 4 drops. Hold it at least 2 minutes, then swallow. Oh, it's got kind of a herbally kind of aftertaste. That's not surprising, really. THC-3, that's the thing about CBD, is it doesn't make you high. It hasn't got the right, yeah, it doesn't have that in it, which makes you high. But so basically, this is something that has been used by people to help with anxiety, to help them study, to help. I have no idea. I've never tried CBD before, so we'll see. I'm going to be trying this every day, and I'll let you know how I go. So I have no idea. I'm a newbie to CBD. Please let me know in the comments if you've had any experience using CBD, and if it's benefited you, and what benefits it has, and can you teach me about it, please, because I have no idea. I'd like to learn a little bit more. Thank you very much, Ethica CBD. I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, well, yeah, cheers.
If you want to learn more about CBD oil, at least more than I do anyway, and you want to know what CBD oil can do for you and all the cannabinoids and stuff, please go to ethicacbd.com/learn, and they'll tell you all about it. I think I need to do that as well. Cheers.
But I'm gonna keep it under the tongue, under here for 2 minutes.